Hi students, this is Prachi Didi from the Logical and Critical Thinking team. And in this video, I'm going to explain to you how we're going to do our event called Polyception, which is a shout event. Yay, shout! And I'm going to explain to you in this video that how you have to send your submissions, how you're going to participate, and what are the rules on which we're going to be judging this competition. Okay, let's begin. So, what is polyception? Polyception comes from this word policy, right? A policy क्या होती है? Policy is a plan, right? You have to make a policy, which is basically a detailed plan on important decisions which affect a lot of people, right? So when you make a policy, you're usually making it बहुत सारे लोगों के लिए किसी important बात को लेके, okay? So what is this important matter which we are tackling in polyception? What do you think is the topic? Topic क्या है? तो हमारा टॉपिक है you have to design a policy for basically distributing the COVID vaccine to the whole Indian population. Such a gigantic task, but we know you can do it. All of you are great logical and critical thinkers, and we have seen you grow so much through the workshop. So I'm sure you're going to be able to do this. So, how are you doing this? You're going to find a teammate because you're going to be doing this in groups so that तुम सब आपस में डिस्कस कर सको, अपने आइडियाज को और डेवलप कर सको एंड कभी कभी अपना काम भी बांट सको, राइट? सो यू आर गोइंग टू डू इट इन टीम्स ऑफ 2, ठीक है? एंड यू हैव टू कम अप विद अ पॉलिसी, बट हियर्स एन इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग. वो पॉलिसी जो भी तुम प्लान बनाओगे, you cannot simply go to any government site and just find out what a government already did and just be like हाँ we're going to do the same thing. ऐसा नहीं कर सकते. खुद सोचो, ठीक है? खुद सोचो तुम क्या करोगे, right? Okay. So how you're going to be doing this is you have to detail your policy and you have to make a video explaining it. In this video, you can use your pen and paper, you can use boards to explain things. Basically, make a video and use things to explain your point as well as possible. You can use printouts, you can use paper, you can also use a board to scribble on. Okay? So, what are we going to be judging on, right? These are important things. Okay? So, since you're making, if you're planning the distribution of a COVID vaccine, I think it is very important that तुम जिस तरह से वैक्सीन को डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करो उससे कोविड का फैलना रुके, right? It reduces and the number of people who are being harmed, the number of people who are being infected, जिन लोगों की डेथ्स भी हो रही हैं, that also is less, right? So you have to keep these things in mind and a few other things that I'm going to tell you in this video. Okay, so what are those things? First of all is feasibility, right? Feasibility का मतलब क्या है? Feasibility का मतलब ये करना possible होना चाहिए. For example, I know कि a lot of you, I know कि I think all of us would want कि अगर we could just give the COVID vaccine to just everyone, जैसे चुटकी बजा के we could just give them. If we could just like snap our fingers and just decide that everyone in India got the COVID vaccine and they would not get COVID anymore, it'll be great. But this cannot happen, right? So your policy has to be feasible. You cannot say things like, we're just going to, like somehow just magically transport like vaccines to these places. Something you have to think about how those things will happen, and you have to keep in mind कि whether it is possible or not. इसको किया जा सकता है कि नहीं. Okay. The second thing is cost, right? Abhi, all of us, we are taking care of people who already have COVID, right? And hospitals are working so hard. They are like, they need so much equipment. It's very important that we are as frugal as possible with our resources. Okay? So an important part is going to be iska cost bhi kam ho, okay? So that we can save on resources. The third is going to be your target population. Now, what's a target population? So, if you decide to simply focus on the working adults of the country, what's going to happen is the people who are at a high risk, जैसे कि बूढ़े लोग, छोटे बच्चे, जिनको काफी ज्यादा खतरा है कोविड से, ऐसा हो सकता है कि वो पीछे रह जाएं और उनकी जिंदगी को खतरा हो सके, राइट? सो यू टू कीप दोस थिंग्स इन माइंड, यू हैव टू मेक श्योर कि तुम इस तरह से पॉपुलेशंस को टारगेट करो, इस तरह से जिन लोगों को वैक्सीन देनी है उनको चूज करो, जिससे कि जितना ज्यादा हो सके हम पॉपुलेशन को बचा सके, राइट? And finally it has to be effective, right? So it's important that we get the vaccine to all of us, all of the people, but it's also important that the distribution of the vaccine is effective. So think about, distributing it in manners इस तरह से कि you can send a vaccine in some place जहाँ पे like the infection rates can be reduced properly, and like reinfection के rates ज़्यादा ना हो. Keep in mind कि vaccine को असर करने में कितना time लगता है. Find out all of these datas and basically make a video explaining how you're going to implement this policy, right? I am looking forward to seeing a lot of like interesting and like groundbreaking ideas from all of you. Looking forward to the event. Ciao.